Welcome back to my final morning pot analysis video on Friday 15th of March with me, which is Pro Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at gold, which is interesting because I got a little bit concerned yesterday on gold, the fact that it turned lower and sharply lower, back under, leaving the resistance at 1310, the old pivot line, back under with a decisive close back below 1300. And the fact that, I've spoken about silver just earlier, and the fact that silver sort of failed around 50, which was the basis of sort of where the lows came in through December, January and February. Gold failed at 50, in the low 50s, again, where the support tended to come in through December, January, February. So that really concerned me, the fact that the market turned lower there. But obviously you've had this reaction higher today, so it makes the issue a little bit cloudier. But the fact is that 1310 needs to be broken on the upside to really gain that traction once more. You could also highlight the 21-day moving average, which had been supportive on the way up, turned lower and basically became a basis of resistance yesterday. So there is a near-term outlook of uncertainty, I would say. Now, closing above 1300 improves the outlook a little bit and helps to steady the ship a touch, but you still need to see a break above 1310, otherwise you're going to be still concerned that resistance overhead is key at the long-term pivot. So this is an important moment for gold. The support at 1290 held on the hourly chart. 1292.50 was yesterday's low before rebounding again. Obviously the improving prospects of the support at 1276 and 1280 are still there, but if you lose 1290, you are really, I think, in a far more concerning state. But for now, the outlook is still, I suppose, positive, but the concern I have is that the market is sort of beginning to look a little bit less positive than it was in the recovery. And if you lose 1290, then you really are, I think, starting to look a bit more troubled on the upside. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again next week.